Here's a 2014 Cadillac ATS. A fiercely spirited performer with style to spare, this ATS is anything but ordinary, and it comes with all the amenities you need. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com points out, the balance the ATS exhibits comes via a 50-50 weight distribution and well-tuned standard FE2 suspension, including Cadillac's first-ever 5-link independent rear setup. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.